Welcome to the DreamMaker Showroom. This is a fantastic tool that we use with our clients when we're working through a design and figuring out how we're going to enhance their home. We've got 6 different kitchen scenarios put together, 6 different bathrooms. We've got a laundry space as well as an entertainment space, and we've even got some kind of home office scenarios put together. It's a wonderful way to help illustrate things and help people think through some of the different ideas that we discuss and how we're going to go about making their home a better place to enjoy. So the showroom is a great place to demonstrate unique ways to use products. It's also a great way to go ahead and illustrate, how we might wrap crown molding around a cabinet and have that dye into the wall. We've got wall tile that we've used rebar in between rather than grout for a wall. Obviously, you wouldn't want to do that in a shower. We've got a barn door that we've mounted a TV on that will slide away. And then we've got just reusing barn wood, old galvanized steel, those kinds of things. So it's just a really powerful tool to help people see what we're talking about when we're working through a design process. We have a significant amount of samples that are here. That's a great thing because then you're not having to run all over town to go make selections at the plumbing store, at the tile store, different hardware, those cabinetry, those kinds of things. We pretty much do all of that right in-house in our showroom here. And we find that customers really like that. They like to be able to choose from 4 things rather than 40 things. We often hear customers say, man, I am just so overwhelmed with all the decisions that need to be made. And we really work hard at making that as simple as possible. Glad you got to see our showroom today. We look forward to talking with you about your project, and we'd love to have you stop on in and check out our space. If you want to start that conversation, reach out to a designer, 217-529-9300.